Hello, nice to see you. Welcome to our first lecture on Cloud Basics. Let's get started, shall we? In this lecture, I would like to introduce the basic concepts and types of cloud, as well as the technical fundamentals. This course has two goals. First, through this lecture, you will get to know the basic concepts of the cloud. Second, this course will help you understand the basics of cloud technology. This course covers three topics. The first half mainly explains cloud basics of cloud service. The second half explains cloud industry trends, technology trends, and market trends. Digital transformation is becoming the most important method for corporate innovation in the post-industrial era. In addition, the most important technological foundation for digital transformation is the cloud. Numerous companies are quickly responding to rapidly changing market conditions, such as shortening time to market by securing agility in manufacturing processes, inventory management, and customer management through the cloud. Cloud-based digital transformation is becoming a key innovation agenda not only for businesses, but also for governments and public institutions. Cloud computing is a technology that connects to a network and uses IT resources, such as hardware and software, without directly building and operating them. If we use electricity as an analogy, it can be said that in the past, all electricity was used in the form of self-generation. But now, electricity produced by power plants is supplied and used in factories, offices, and homes. In other words, the form of borrowing and using all types of computing resources is called cloud computing. So what is the cloud service? Cloud service is a service that integrates computing resources into a data center in large quantities and then separates them virtually as required by individual users, providing them over the information network. A cloud service has four basic properties. First, cloud users can directly control computing resources through the cloud console screen without direct interaction with the operator. Second, users can access the cloud through various devices connected to the network, such as mobile, tablet, PC, etc. Third, users can share cloud resources with multiple users. Fourth, users can also quickly scale up and down computing resources when needed. Finally, cloud service is a pay-as-you-go system where you pay for what you use. Cloud service has several advantages. First, the cloud is economically advantageous because it only needs to use computing resources in the required amount for the required period. Second, computing resources can be used very flexibly by adjusting their size as needed. Third, even if a hardware fails, the cloud provider has an excellent backup system that can provide the service without stopping. Fourth, since the users only borrow and use the computing resource provided by the cloud, the time for building a computing system is minimized. The cloud is still developing rapidly, and its development direction can be summarized in 6 ways. First, all IT technologies are converging in the cloud and developing in the direction of providing them in the form of services. Second, with the development of autonomous driving and IoT technology, the edge cloud, which has an edge close to the place of data generation, is rapidly spreading. Third, platform technology that makes software not dependent on a specific cloud is evolving. Fourth, Cloud-to-cloud connection and connection technology between cloud and corporate internal systems are developing. First, cloud-native technology for developing software in an optimal form for cloud architecture is rapidly spreading. Finally, the cloud is advancing rapidly as a foundational technology for digital transformation and innovation. As interest in AI grows, cloud computing is getting more attention. This is because the cloud has become a platform for using machine learning tools essential for AI implementation. The big three global cloud companies, Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, and Google, are competitively providing AI functions. Recently, cloud companies are focusing on helping general developers to easily apply machine learning technology to their applications. For example, if you use AWS, you can take the AI voice recognition application programming interface called API, applied to Amazon Echo and apply it to your own application. AWS has released 3 machine learning APIs: image recognition, text-to-speech conversion, and natural language recognition. Amazon Recognition provides image recognition and analysis services. By using this function, you can analyze the object in photo in real time. It can also recognize human faces. Amazon Polly provides the ability to turn text into speech. Amazon Lex offers automatic speech recognition and natural language recognition. Microsoft is providing AI APIs through its cloud, MS Azure. It provides a machine learning API under the name of Cognitive Service. Microsoft is evolving its service in a way that allows it to custom train machine learning models. Microsoft has released custom vision, photo recognition, and custom speech, that is voice recognition, that can overcome the limitations of existing machine learning APIs. And Google has released a cloud-based intelligent video analysis API as a public version. If you use the Video Intelligence API, you can detect what an object in the video is and what kind of action it is. This made it possible to search for content within the video. In addition, the cloud is accelerating the growth and the globalization of big data. In the medical sector, a cloud-based system that can quickly analyze huge data such as diseases and DNA from around the world has been built. The U.S. National Institute of Health is using the Amazon cloud for research on various diseases. To summarize cloud technology, a cloud service is an IT service provision service that distributes, measures, manages, and operates IT resources according to a user's request using cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to computing in which IT resources, such as hardware, software, are logically divided or combined through the Internet. Cloud computing technology refers to hardware and software technology used when using public cloud services or when building a private cloud. Cloud service infrastructure is designed to provide IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS services based on cloud computing technology. We can classify cloud core technologies into technologies such as virtualization technology, distributed processing, service provisioning, resource utility, and security and privacy. Although virtualization technology will be explained in Part 2, it refers to a technology that divides one piece of hardware and uses it as if it were multiple pieces of hardware. Distributed processing technology refers to a technology that consistently processes large amount of data stored in multiple servers. Service provisioning refers to a technology that provides computing resources in real time according to user needs. Resource utility refers to technology that analyzes computing resources for billing and metering. Finally, security and privacy refers to technologies for safe data use in the cloud. Cloud stakeholders can be divided into service providers, service users, and service arbiters. A cloud service provider refers to a subject that configures a cloud computing environment for a cloud service and provides a service to users. And the cloud service user refers to a subject that utilizes the creation, change, management, etc. of resources using the cloud service. A cloud service mediator or managed service provider refers to an intermediary that entrusts and sells cloud services of a cloud service provider or performs the roles of utilization, performance management, and the delivery of cloud service between a provider and a user. Cloud services can be classified as SaaS, we call the SaaS, and PaaS, we call PaaS, and IaaS, we call the IaaS. SaaS is a service that provides application software, and PaaS is a service that provides software development and operation environments. That is a platform. IaaS is a service that provides IT infrastructure such as server, storage, network, etc. In addition to SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, various types of cloud service are occurring as a service. Security solution service is called SecaaS. DaaS is desktop as a service. DBaaS is database as a service, and STaaS is storage as a service. The fact that such a variety of services is occurring means that the utility value that the service gives to users is great. It is expected that more diverse types of service will be provided in the future. According to the cloud operation method, cloud is classified as private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. The public cloud is a type that utilizes the service provided by an external cloud service provider. This type can maximize the advantage of cloud service. Private cloud is a type that companies or institutions build and use cloud internally, and the private cloud provides a limited service to insiders and has a benefit of customizing their requirement. Hybrid cloud is a type that combines private cloud and public cloud for cost reduction and agility. Hybrid cloud gets the benefit of public and private cloud. Multi-cloud is a form in which one company or institution uses multiple clouds at the same time. Each cloud has its own characteristics by multi-cloud or user, and an organization can select a proper cloud according to its own requirement. The PPP cloud means public-private partnership cloud is a type that a company brings the public cloud system to the inside of the company for building a private cloud. It can be seen as a form that combines the stability of public cloud with the security of a private cloud. Edge cloud is a method in which the cloud is divided a main cloud and edge cloud. The edge cloud places near the data gathering where a lot of data such as IoT sensor or autonomous driving is generated. In the edge cloud, data is collected or processed first in the edge, and the important data is sent to the main cloud. The edge cloud is advantageous for rapidly processing large-scale data generated in geographically dispersed places. The cloud market has been growing rapidly since 2010. In particular, the growth of the SaaS market is explosive, and the PaaS and the IaaS markets have grown too, albeit slowly. We should note that the BPaaS, it means Business Process as a Service, market is expected to grow very rapidly in the near future. This is Gartner's cloud hypercycle. In this figure, we can see some important patterns in cloud technology. First, technologies for cloud connection are on the rise as cloud becomes more diverse and patterns of use increase. The connection technology for cloud is attracting attention. Second, as time goes by, container technology is becoming a core technology. I will explain briefly container later. Third, the latest technologies such as IoT, AI, blockchain, and big data are converging based on the cloud. The cloud is becoming the basis for the latest technologies for utilization. Almost all SaaS is developed based on PaaS. Therefore, developed SaaS depends on PaaS on which the SaaS is developed. SaaS companies don't want their SaaS to be tied to a specific PaaS because a SaaS company does not want to limit its customers. Therefore, a SaaS company tends to prefer PaaS developed by open source. Open source-based PaaS such as Cloud Foundry and OpenShift are getting popular for this reason. Through this lecture, you can understand the basic concepts, advantages, and the types of the cloud. Also, you can understand the technical fundamentals of the cloud. And I consulted a number of references to create the lecture material. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me by email yklee2002@gmail.com, and I will answer you directly. Thank you very much again. See you in the next lecture.